installing this iJDMTOY LED high stop lamp. Bought it off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it. Anyway, pretty straightforward. It's just a smoked version. They do also have a red lens and a clear lens, but I wanted to get the smoked version in there to match the OEM 18 through 22 model year taillights. Alright, so all we're doing on this is just taking out the 2 Phillips screws. Pretty straightforward. Just take them out, and that lamp should just drop out. I'm trying this one-handed, so we'll see how I do. There's one, pretty small, so, and it does have a shoulder on it, so it is a specialty screw. So drop that in there. This other one, try to hold this so it doesn't just fall out on its own. Screw, and I will drop this out. And the plug is right there, so it's pretty easy. There we go. So that's the clip, comes out, and then the new one should have the same clip. Pop it in. And then there's enough slack here that you can just push that back in there in the hole right there. And this one, I don't know if I'll probably just save the harness and then push that back in that hole too. So I'm not gonna wire that in. That's for the running light. If I wanted to do that, I could wire that in, but I do not want to do that. So that's pretty straightforward, and let me undo that and put it back in there, and I'm going to check the fit and clean up this a little bit. Alright, got the yellow harness undone, and just to show you that there is plenty of room to stuff these back into that hole. Get the one in there, get the yellow, and then yeah, those wires will go in there. May not be able to get the rest of them in, but you get the idea. And then I'm going to check the fit on that, and we'll see how it looks. This is also a public service announcement that anytime you're working with fasteners, especially these small ones and these specialty ones that have shoulders where you can't really crank down on them too much, because otherwise you'll in this case break the plastic lens. Use your thread locker, Loctite, whatever brand, it doesn't matter. I always use blue unless it's a fastener that I don't think that I'll ever take off, and then I'll use red. Alright, so when you're putting your lights in, obviously you want to test them before you do the final install, so go ahead and push the brake. Nice, looks good. Alright, release it, push it.